In this video, we're going to show you how to export a class roster from Powerschool into a file that you can open up in Excel. We're going to start by checking our school and making sure we've selected the right school if we have multiple ones. I'm going to go ahead and choose Springfield High School. Next, what we're going to do is click on Teacher Schedules on the left side of the screen. And then we're going to select the teacher whose class we want to export. In this example, I'm going to grab Trimester 2, Painting 1, and right over here where it says the number of students, I'm going to left-click on that number under the enrollment column. I now have two options. I can make current student selection, or I can add to current student selection. I'm going to go ahead, as this is my first class, and choose Make Current Student Selection. This sets my selection to those exact 17 students. If I want to add an additional class, I can go ahead and hit the Teacher Schedule button to go back to that screen, go back to that same teacher, and let's say that I wanted to add a second class. I can go to Painting 1 in a different period, click on that 18 student count, and I can add to the current student selection. You'll now see that I have 35 students as my current selection. On this screen, I can then export them using a template if we have a pre-built template that we want to use to get additional information, or I can choose Quick Export. In this case, I'm just going to do a quick export. I've exported quite a few fields here, but all you really need, and all that we're going to actually put in here, we're going to actually take out all of that, and we want these 4 fields typically. So this is our student's first name, our student's last name, our student's grade, and their student ID number. Additional fields can be looked up using this Fields button right here. For example, if I wanted the Guardian email address, I can type in Guardian, and oh look, there's Guardian email. Once I've added all the fields that I want, I can go ahead and hit Submit. And you can see now we have downloaded the student export 19.txt file. I'm going to choose to show in folder just to bring it up in Windows Explorer. And you can see I've exported quite a few of these. And if I scroll all the way to that file right there, you can see I've already set this to open up in Excel. But if your files don't open in Excel, please keep watching and we'll show you how to take care of that. Today we're going to show you how to open a Powerschool export using Excel. Go ahead and right-click on the exported file. Scroll down to Open With, and you'll see Excel isn't even on the list, so we're going to hit Choose Another App. This window will pop up, and on here you're going to click More Apps, scroll down a little, and hit Look for another app on this PC. You're then going to click this PC on the left, choose Windows, Program Files x86, Microsoft Office, Office 16, scroll down a little bit, and there's Excel. Once you've selected it, you can either double-click it or just hit Open on the bottom right of this window. Again, that path is this PC, Windows, Program Files x86, Microsoft Office, Office 16. Excel now appears in the list. Make sure you check Always use this app to open .txt files, and then hit OK. That will now open up your Powerschool exports in Excel. I can't actually show you the file since it has protected student information, but I can drag over here's the title bar of that Excel file just kind of as proof. So there you can see it is indeed open in Excel. And just to be sure, we'll reopen it one more time, and you can see, yes, that file is opening in Excel. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us at support@springfield-schools.com or by hitting the New Ticket button on this website.